In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminder on Google Keep Notes. If you use Google Keep to jot down ideas, to-do lists, or important tasks, adding reminders is a great way to make sure nothing gets forgotten. Google Keep makes this process quick and simple, and once you know where to click, you can add a reminder to any note in just a few moments. To get started, go to your Google Keep Home dashboard. This is where all of your notes are displayed, so you can easily find the one you want to work with. Take a moment to locate the specific note you want to set a reminder for before moving on. Once you've found the right note, move your cursor over it. When you hover over the note, a few action icons will appear. Look for the bell icon, which is the reminder option, and click on it. This opens the reminder settings for that note. From there, click on Select Date and Time. This lets you choose exactly when you want Google Keep to remind you. It's especially useful if you want something more specific than the standard reminder suggestions. Next, click on the date drop-down and select it. Choose the day you want the reminder to happen. Make sure you pick the correct date so the notification appears when you actually need it. This is helpful for deadlines, appointments, or future tasks you don't want to overlook. After that, click on the time drop-down below and select it. Choose the time that works best for your reminder. Depending on what the note is for, you might want an early morning reminder, something during the workday, or a notification later in the evening. Picking the right time can make the reminder much more effective. Now click on the Repeat Settings drop-down. Here you can decide whether the reminder should happen just once or repeat on a schedule. You can leave it set to not repeat or choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. If needed, you can also customize the repeat settings. This is especially useful for recurring tasks like weekly check-ins, monthly bills, or annual events. Once everything looks right, click on Save. That will apply the reminder to your Google Keep note, and that's it. Your note now has a reminder attached to it, helping you stay organized and on schedule. If you use reminders regularly in Google Keep, it can turn simple notes into a much more reliable productivity tool.